Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today the car is looking dirty as fuck, but I got the car running now, or runs. But we gotta take care of this issue first, which is the door. So let me go ahead and move the car out, pull out the car from there, and then get going on it. It's fucking windy and it's cold as fuck. Hit right around here, all the way back here. So luckily, I think I only need to replace the door. This door still opens and closes, and then that's all the damage that's right there. So pretty much need to fix this and this. I think they could pull it. Hopefully, I'm gonna go get a quote, and then I just want to take care of this door because it's been getting dirty, wet. So I already have the door. Shout out to Sac City. I bought it from there. Complete door. I just need to replace the door handle on it, and then this part. And it already comes with the window, the motor, and everything, and the mirror. I'll need the mirror from this door. So let's see. Hopefully it's not too hard. Nothing crazy. Probably need a set of extra hands since it's pretty heavy, but I'll leave you guys in a time lapse and I'll explain the important part. But fuck, I'm looking at it and I think I need to remove the fender just to get those off. Well, not those, but the ones back there, and then that, of course. So this is the new door that I got. I paid $250 for this from Sac City. That's the name, right? Sac City. Same color as the car, OEM. And I mean, right here looks good, but it's got a couple scratches and dents. I'm pretty sure the door is gonna get resprayed anyway, so hopefully it takes care of all the little scratches. And yeah, this shit's heavy though. But yeah, let me show you the other side. And I'm putting this door on just because I've had it in the shed for a couple minutes, and it's pretty big, so it blocks a lot. It blocks the entrance, so it's just hard to get in and out. But yeah, I just need to put my fucking door panel on, hook these up, all the little switches, and the mirror, of course, and then that's done. But I'm almost thinking of removing these on the car right now, and then just fucking trying to get these in to not even fuck with this at all. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Give it a try, see how hard it is. I hadn't even seen that. I don't even know how that happened. What the fuck? I mean, fuck. That's a trip. Oh, that's what happened. I was like, what the fuck? My bad. I was tripping. So you do gotta remove this part first. I think this what broke actually. Fuck me. Because you gotta unplug all that first. So we'll take that off. 2 screws right there. One behind here. And it just pops. So 2 10 mils to get those off. one behind that little cover right there. Then this pops off like that. And then you got two more. One for me, but you probably have two. And that should be it. Unhook these off. And then just start prying on the panel. Fuck. I lied, it's behind the whole thing. You take that piece off and it's back there. Like 10 mil. Just be careful. Because I was pulling on it already. And then that shit's a bitch to get off without ripping this shit. Or not, that shit just straight fell right off when I took it off. I took the whole thing off, which is good. But yeah, technically that's what my door looks like right now. So you just gotta hook these up and then switch this over, plug those in, and then I think that's the other harness that it has. Sweet. Alright, since my door comes with everything, I only have to disconnect these two right here, which are the ones that go on the door panel. And then obviously these. It comes with the speaker, so I don't need that. It comes with all that, so I need none of that. And then just took this one off. And then I gotta unscrew one more, pull the door out, and then pull the harness out, and then connect my new one. And shout out my dad for the lighting. So to get this one off, you slide this one y bájale el gris para abajo. Jale nomás. Gris este. I couldn't get a good video, but technically you just slide this one and then you just slide it and it pops right out. And then I already have this one, so pretty much click it in, slide it again, and that's what locks it in place. Shit. But I guess when it sets, it makes pressure, so yeah. That's the harness. And then shout out my pops, we already took it off. Now I just gotta do the same thing but in reverse. Hi señora. Okay guys, so we got carried away. I got help, so I took advantage. Put everything back. I got another light person, otra lámpara. But technically that made it easy. Just put those back on 2 and 4. That one's kind of tricky, so I kind of have to close the door all the way, get it in tight, and then open it because it's hard as fuck. But then I got the door panel on. That's my old one. Everything's plugged in. So I need that and put everything back technically. And then I might need to adjust the door either up or down. But yeah. So I got everything on. I lost the screw for the door right there. Actually, I'm gonna look at it, see if it shows where I put it. But I just need to replace my door handle. And of course I dropped this one inside there. There's all kinds of glass and shit. So I got my dad taking it off. So I'm gonna install that. Pretty easy, just pop this little part out, hook it up on the new one, and yeah, got some lighting. So after removing that and flipping this upside down, I got it. So this is what the car looks like as of right now, just the quarter panel. And I don't know if I didn't hook up the lock on it or it's fucked up, but if you see this, you can see the line right here, so the door's good. So I'm pretty sure it's the hit that it's got on that side. Fuck, if you look at it, it's a big fucking hit. Look at the gap right there. I just noticed this one doesn't have the little trim right here, so I'm gonna pull it off my door. And then if anybody wants any of these, I'll probably post it on my Instagram, so if you're not following me, make sure to follow it. I think everything else is there. So follow me, let's say you needed something and you followed me, you could have gotten it. But if you don't follow me, of course, you're seeing this when the video gets posted and it's already gone. So yeah, I think it's just, I don't need that, but that. Put these right here. So the install is complete. Look at this. Shit. It's fucking clean already. Ignore that. Look at that body line though. See that? Look at that perfect gap. It's just OEM things. Doors on. I'm happy with it. Take it to a body shop now. Hopefully they can pull that. Not cutting or nothing. But we'll see. That's where the real money is gonna be at. Mañana barre aquí más. Todo el vidrio.
¿Lo cobraste?
Está quebrado.
¿Estaba para abajo?
Oh, yeah. Hey guys, look at that. And when he goes pulling up, I'm gonna just record his reaction. See what he says. I mean, I've got a new whip too, but hopefully he shows it in another video. It's a trip, huh?
Thanks, Chapo. Thanks for the free car, Chapo.
When he goes actually paint me, guys, text his ass.
¿Y ahí quedó bien o no?
Sí, güey. Pues mira,
¿La door quedó bien?
Yeah.
Sí, abre y cierra normal así todo.
It's just a little, pega poquito, güey, but I think this is because tiene un potazo ahí. Pero sí, like, what do you think, Chapo?
Yeah, Chapo. It is possible.